Guzman.
So this is personal, guys. So we would like to know your age.
I'm 21 years old.
Okay. So what is your height and vital statistics?
My height is 5'8", and my vital statistics is 37, 31, and 40.
Very model yung height niya, no? Very tall siya. And do you have manager and handler?
Wala akong manager or handler, pero I'm under MPP production.
MPP
Manager.
management stands for?
Michael Pagle Photography.
Oh, okay. So, as a model, anong mapapayo nyo sa mga gusto mag-model?
As a model, kung gusto nyo i-pursue yung pagiging model nyo, i-push nyo yan. Huwag kayong mahiya. Kasi someday, parang masasabi mo, sayang hindi ko nagawa abang bata.
Yeah. So, bilang model, gaano ka nakatagal sa modeling industry?
Nag-start ako ng 2022, so 2 years na rin ako in modeling industry.
Okay. So, what made you decide to be a model?
My story talaga ako dyan is that nung bata ako, gusto ko maging fashion designer. Pero hindi naman ako mahilig mag-drawing. So, naset aside yung pangarap ko na yun.
Naging model ka na lang?
Oo. Ngayon, nagbabalik ako as a model. Hindi lang, i-push yung dream ko na yun. Pero para maging advocate na rin ng morena skin and yung body positivity.
Okay. So, very positive siya, girls. And what modeling experience do you have?
Nakapaglakad na ako sa iba't ibang runway, like yung Fashion Runway Manila 2024 and Philippine Fashion Gala 2024 sa San Agustin Museum sa Intramuros.
How was your experience there?
Masaya siya actually, and masasabi ko lang nakakapagod kasi buong araw yon and very, mag-exert ka ng effort, mag-practice para ma-perfect mo yung lakad, and masaya siya kasi you get to meet a lot of people and actually professional models na din kasabayan natin.
Okay, so tell me about the challenge you face when modeling.
Challenge face ko, actually yung pagbabalance ko sa heels. Sobrang hirap. Yun yung
May
kailangan.
require ba na high inches ng heels?
4 inch is the minimum and
Okay.
maximum is 6 inches. So ako, as matangkad, na-require na lang nila ng 4 inches para stepping stone lang. Pero sobrang hirap, guys. Talaga.
Okay, so do you have modeling agency?
As of now, wala.
Okay. So, we would like to know your accounts as we end this interview.
So, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, Isabel Guzman.
Please follow her models. Bye!
Isabel would like to thank Maria Cristina Garcia and George Garcia for being supportive parents. Thank you to Sir Lito Calion and Sir Vladimir Estacado for the fun and exciting photo shoot, to Sir Michael Marjolino who made us feel at ease during this session. Most importantly, thank you to Sir Mike Tagla for giving us such opportunities like this that will surely make us grow in the fashion industry as models.
This video is brought to you by Pure M Moto, motorcycle gears and accessories.
QCPC, Quezon City Photo Club.
Own Still.
Natural shots by Michael Marjolino.
Gussie Talks by Lito Calian. And Fashion Photographers of the Philippines Incorporated.